So you're going to constantly be attracting, be around this toxic energy until you can deal with it with inside yourself. All right, next one. So this will actually link into the last one. So the question is, any advice on when you are living with toxic energy and low vibrational people so it doesn't affect you? Great question. And the straight answer with this is that the only reason it is affecting you is because it's a part of you. Yeah. So that toxic energy that is affecting you, it's only affecting you because that's a part of you. What it is, it's the cosmos, the universe, whatever you want to call it, is giving you feedback to show you that you need to deal with this toxic energy inside yourself, so then you don't have the toxic energy around you. Yeah. So what I'll do is look at, okay, what's this toxic energy? What feelings is this creating for you? And then go back and do the process, which I mentioned with the last question. Yeah. And keep doing that process, because what's happening here is that you're not getting the message, you're not getting the lesson that's trying to be showed to you. So you're going to constantly be attracting, be around this toxic energy until you can deal with it with inside yourself. Do you get that message and that lesson that you need to be able to move beyond that toxic energy? Because when you can move that toxic energy out of you and move beyond that toxic energy, what will happen is you won't be in that environment of that toxic energy anymore, because you will remove yourself from it, or the other person will remove themselves from it. Yeah. So remember, in life, everyone is always mirroring and matching us. We're always attracting things that is giving us feedback on what within us we need to look at and we need to deal with. Yeah, what we need to comprehend, what the message and lesson we need to get from that. Yeah, so in this instance, write down the toxic energy, what the feeling is, what the emotion is, and go into the writing process I said in the last one. And then you'll have the awareness, you'll be able to comprehend what's going on, and then you'll be able to move that, process that feeling, emotion in your body so it can be released. So then you can move beyond that toxic environment, which is happening in your body and in your environment. I know it's straightforward, but you need this. People need to understand this. It's like we need to take responsibility for ourselves and stop looking at others and the environment. Yeah, we need to deal with what's happening within us. Because the sooner we deal with what's happening in us, the quicker things outside of us change. Yeah. So, and everything I share and do is with love.